My name is Harrison Porter. I'm a chef. We're going to make a little stone fruit caramel for you today. Very easy, very simple. Definitely something to do with our summer months. Take out the core, and we're just going to blend that straight up with some sugar, and then we're going to strain it and cook it down, and then we'll add a little cream at the end, and bam, you got caramel. So this is a peach, a plum, and a nectarine. Probably about half a cup of water and the same amount of sugar. And the water just to help it blend. And I think there's plenty of sugar's already in there, so we don't need to go too crazy on the sugar. Always a little salt every step of the way. And we'll just strain that out just so we don't get any of the skin pieces that are going to burn a lot quicker than everything else. All right, so I'm just going to pass it through again, get some of those skins out. They're just going to cook down a little too much, get a little bitter if they cook that long. Basically, you're just cooking down your sugar till it reaches the caramel stage, elicits some extra flavor in there, and you can really infuse your caramels with anything you want. I actually smoked a pork butt last week, and I made a sweet tea caramel. So I brined the pork butt in sweet tea with some pickling spices, and then I just used that pickling liquid after I brined it, cooked that down with some extra sugar, and then you just add some cream at the end. A little bit heavier on the salt for that one because it's more of a savory application. Basically, caramel is just taking the sugar to a certain stage, and you're adding water as a liquid to kind of slow it down, but you can use any kind of liquid that you want to flavor it. All right, so we got a beautiful color there. It's not going to stay that color. It's going to turn into like a dark caramelish, but you'll definitely be able to pick up the stone fruits as it goes. And we just want to start that at a medium heat. Watch the sides because that's where the sugar will start crystallizing. And yeah, it'll probably take 45 minutes. You want to start your simmer pretty quick and then just drop it down because caramel's like a girlfriend. If you watch it the whole time, nothing will happen. As soon as you look away, it'll burn you. I say that to all my cooks all the time. It's been about 15 minutes, and we brought our caramel up to a nice simmer. We just want it real slow. You want to kind of go through and scrape the sides. Make sure it's moving. Use a silicone spat so you can feel the bottom. You don't want anything sticking yet. Alright, so we've let it go. We're going to turn the heat up a little bit and get us through that last stages. So that sugar's cooked down right before caramelization. We're getting a little bit of color in there. Typically when I make a big batch of this, I make sure that I want to heat up my cream as well before I stir it in. Otherwise, it'll cool your sugar down too much and it'll seize up. But this small amount, we should be good. Just a little fat will stabilize your caramel. I would say a generous tablespoon. And you just want to make sure that it comes together. Back up to the temp you want it. A little lemon juice just for some flavor. It's extremely hot, so yeah, we'll try it. We'll try it right now. Why not? Bulldozer spoon. Pretty good. A little bit of salt. So it's summery, it's fresh, it's sweet. It's not too overpoweringly sweet with the acidity from the stone fruits and the lemon in there. I think it's nice. Do you want to try it?
Yeah, that is nice.
I don't know if I'm a good cameraman, but I had fun. I can just be like, I got the peaches.